We have all Kia trained technicians. We have an amazing customer lounge. We have great customer satisfaction. We're centrally located. We're in the middle of everywhere, so we're not really out of the way anywhere you're coming from.
New or used, from service, repair, or parts, all your automotive needs are covered at Mark Kia in Scottsdale.